What is up, beautiful people? It is currently day 4. I'm about to do a workout. It's supposed to be a track workout, but we don't have a track here, so we're just gonna go to the very top where there's a flat section and do the repeats there. Michael's gonna be the cameraman. He's gonna be filming and driving. If you don't care about running, that's completely understandable. You can skip to this time code here. But if you wanna stay along, it should be a pretty fun and difficult workout. It's hot right now. We waited way too long. It's 11:13, so it's blistering already. So this should be interesting, but we'll let you know what the workout is once we get to the top. I got a 3-mile warm up right now. Let's hit it. All right, Michael's officially taking over the camera.
All right, good luck, boy. Oh, we got some big hills coming up. Good luck, Carson. Sheesh. Nice. Throw up some hands. Gang. So this looks like it's gonna be the 400-meter section. Like, comment, subscribe. Nice, nice.
This is gonna be a rough one.
Really?
It's just hot.
Yeah.
All right, nice little warm up. Here's the workout. We got 3 sets of 4x400s with 30-second rest in between each interval and 4-minute rest in between each set. Should be pretty exciting. We'll see how it goes. Michael's gonna be filming every set and I'll drop the splits for each of them. All right, let's get it.
What does he say? What does he say? Cinematic sequence going now.
Dos minutos. What is up, beautiful people? It is currently day 5. We are getting another boat. All these bees. We're getting another boat, but this time it is a pontoon boat, so it's not gonna be, we're not gonna be tubing, we're kinda just gonna be chilling on the boat. Michael's got the GoPro. Show him what you got. Ooh.
I have the GoPro.
Well, we'll take you guys along. Pop in a little GoPro footage and some cinematic sequences starting now.
This looks so sick. Wait, look how clear the water is.
Good morning, beautiful people. It's currently day 6, the last day. We're supposed to be heading out of the place in 20 minutes. We're gonna do one last drone cinematic sequence here. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me and Michael on Instagram at CarsonPhilbin and at mke.g. All right, Mike, take it away, bro. Cinematic sequence starting. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, all you beautiful people.
Yeah, you gotta write a new love song to get the old ones out your brain.
And I think I got one. Yeah, and I think I got one. Yeah, I got one.